Hi there everyone, it's Mr. Connor here from the New Haven Free Public Library. I'm here to do another easy craft. This week we're going to be making watermelon sun catchers. So for this you will need a paper plate, some green paint or a green marker, some pink tissue paper, some black tissue paper or just black paper, some glue, a pair of scissors, and either some clear packing tape or I will be using clear adhesive shelf liner. So first, I'm going to take my paper plate and cut it in half. Once I've cut my paper plate in half, I'm then going to cut out the inside of the plate, leaving behind just the textured outside of the plate. Once I've done that, I'm then going to paint the textured side green. I'm now going to let it dry for a little while. As you can see, we now have the outside of the watermelon. So what I'm going to do now is take my adhesive shelf liner and with the sticky side facing up, I'm going to begin attaching little squares of pink tissue paper. This is going to be the inside of the watermelon. As I go along, I'm just going to hold the paper plate over the shelf liner to see which areas I have to cover. Once I've added enough pink for the inside of the watermelon, I'm then going to take my paper plate with the green side facing up and attach it to the shelf liner. Once I have attached the plate, I'm just going to use a pair of scissors to cut away the excess shelf liner or tape. Once I've done that, I'm now going to add the watermelon seeds. So I've got a few pieces of black tissue paper here. Taking a glue stick, I'm just going to glue that onto the pink tissue paper. And we now have a watermelon sun catcher. So all you have to do now is tape it in a window and watch the sun shine through it. So I hope you have fun making your own, and I will see you all next time. Take care, everyone.